How to fix captions not showing on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to enable closed captions on the YouTube app on your Android device. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, tap on any video to open it in the player. From there, tap on the video to bring up the playback controls. At this point, tap on the CC icon at the top of the video player to enable captions. In the next step, if the CC icon is not visible, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the player. Following this, tap on Captions from the options that appear. Once done, select your preferred caption language from the list to enable them. From here, if captions are still not showing, go to your profile by tapping the U tab at the bottom right corner. At this stage, tap on Settings and then tap on Captions. After this, make sure Show Captions is toggled on and adjust the caption size and style to your preference. Finally, go back and play any video to confirm that captions are now showing correctly. And that's it. If this YouTube guide helped you enable captions, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.